Hey everybody, Nathan here. Just hope everybody's having a good day. Just here doing a little update video. I know it's been a little while since we've had a video out on the channel. We've been working on getting our new grapples mounted up to our loaders for our new square baler system. This is the one we haven't quite finished yet. We just got the plates with the holes drilled back to the machine shop today. Gonna be working on getting those welded on this afternoon. So hopefully all of it will line up right and work out. We're going to be finding out in a little bit. But first thing, we're going to go out here to the other one. I'm going to apologize for the wind noise, but I'm going to go out here and get the first one set up. We got mocked up and ready. It's already all welded on and works out good with the tractor loader. Just need to get our hydraulic connections tied back into the cylinder, because we had to have our hose lengthened about 6 foot to reach our tractor, because we do not have a third function on this loader. So let's get the hoses hooked up, maybe get the tractor started, and see how well it works out. There's one. Shouldn't need any thread tapes, these are O-ring seal fitting, so get those snakes in the back of there so the other tie on. There's that. Let's get those right to the back. There's one. So maybe the other snake wrestle back through there now. Would you look at that? Got an eye. Do it at a time. Now let's see how we get it figured. Nope. Alright everybody, this is going to be our first test on the new grapple. I know this is a 10 bale pickup model, but for the sake of the video, I just got 2 straw bales down out of the wagon, so we're just going to proof of concept here. Don't see any leaks. I've tried it a few times just playing here, so we'll see how it goes. Well, I think that's going to work. I guess the true test will be this summer when we get back to square baling for true. But for now, I'm going to put the straw bales up and put some fuel on the tractor, park it back in the shed, and get to welding on the new ones. So we'll come at you in a few minutes in the welding shop. All right, everyone. Now got the pieces all cut out, separated. I went on, notched the corners off just for neatness and to make it a little safer to work around, not have a nice sharp edge up there to cut your arm on, fooling with the pins. But now, gonna get the welder out, get it over here, get these pieces tacked up, and get them welded on fairly decent, not too much. And then we're gonna get the tractor out of the heated shop next door, bring it over, just take the forks off the front of it, bring it around here, hook it up, do a final test fit before we weld it out, and then hopefully then all we'll need is 2 new hoses a couple feet longer on this one. So let's get it tacked up and mocked up and see what we got.
Well, not good. How do you talk over here? Good. What about now? See how good? All right, what about that?